He didn't pull me over. Let's go ahead and get onto Mexico. What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, we're gonna be taking the 335i for a drive. Finally, we got some nice weather, but we gotta get out there quick because I checked the weather tonight and it's gonna drop back down to freezing, and we're probably gonna get snow in April, so that's great. But today, we got good weather. Good weather for us here in Canada. It's probably still freezing for you guys out in California, Florida, all those places, West Coast, where it's a lot more warmer. This is how it is, April in Canada. It's kind of, actually no, it's never like this. Usually end of March is usually when the snow is finally done, but for some reason this year, the weather's been really weird and we're expecting snow in April. What I wanted to actually do in the video today, my tuner Chris sent me settings that he wants me to adjust with the fueling on my settings in the JB4. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust a couple settings, and we're also gonna put in a fresh little tank of E. Clean up the gas that's inside the car right now because it's been sitting for a couple months, so fresh tank E won't kill her. It'll actually probably help her out and make it run a lot better. So let's go ahead and get some fresh E in there, and then change the settings on the JB4, and then get out and start cruising. Guys, huge shout out to German 2J for leaving to Dubai and not leaving me with the electric pump. So I'm gonna have to manually pump it out here. Really slow. Woo! I have to take my jacket off. It's getting hot in here.
15 minutes later.
Alright, I'm squatted down because I'm taking a breather here. I'm gonna kill German 2J, guys. Comment down below saying, why wouldn't you give Dujo the pump, man? Just make sure she's in neutral. Thankfully, he didn't pull me over, but he doesn't even look back. I'm so bad, but he's just doing his job. I want to do like a second gear and test it. I'm sure there's enough space. Second gear, I kind of have to bounce off the rev limiter. Like there, I short shifted and it kind of like lugged, drops out of boost, and then for like it goes back into boost. You guys can hear it on that pull. Got a nice little tunnel here. Oh my, it sounds so good. Was popping. I gotta get out of this lane, man. Sorry, that lane was brutal. get onto Mexico. traffic, I might get off. Yeah, I'm getting off. There's no way I'm staying in this. Sorry boys, I was gonna do it for the video. Not happening. It's misfiring up top. I wonder if it has to do with the fuel or a fueling related issue. I hope not, because I just put new injectors in not too long ago. Misfiring in cylinder 6. So what I did was I pulled out the coil from cylinder 6 and cylinder 3, and I'm gonna swap them now. So you guys see both my coils here. So I'm gonna swap cylinder 6 with cylinder 3, and I'm gonna start the car up, and if I still have the code for the misfire, I wanna see if it's swapped over to cylinder 3 now, and then I'll know it's a coil issue. But if that doesn't fix anything, then I have to take out the spark plugs and take a look at the injectors as well. I took out the spark plug for cylinder 6. Point of me checking all the spark plugs because I literally just changed them at the end of the season last year. The spark plugs are fine. I looked at cylinder 6 spark plug, it looks fine. Went ahead and took out the injector for cylinder 6. It's pretty gunked up. Last year at the beginning of the season, I actually had an issue very similar to this where it wasn't misfiring until I would go full throttle, and I would try to near like higher in the RPMs. When I'd go full throttle, it would start to break up and misfire. Similar issue, spark plugs were fine, coils were fine, being the injector for last season I think it was cylinder 3. So similar issues happening right now. So I know the spark plugs are fine, I know the coils are fine, so most likely the injector, the direct injector. So I'm gonna go ahead and order another index 12 for this bad boy. So once I get the new injector, I'll make a video. I'll put that injector in, and then we'll be back on roads. I'll make another video of me ripping the 335 and hopefully full boost and no misfire. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. It's been Dujo, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.